Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to do some rust stabilizing on our golf cart so we can get some more years of fruitful life out of it. What we're going to use on my golf cart today is a phosphoric acid. This is Ospho, goes by many brand names. Most of them are pretty much just phosphoric acid. And what it does is when you put it on metal, rusted metal, it pulls the oxygen out of the metal and prepares it for a paint with an oil-based paint. Underneath the frame, you can see all the rust on this dog. No wonder I got such a good deal buying this used. So what we're going to do is we want to stabilize the rust in here. So I'm trying to get in all the cracks and crevices here to stabilize this golf cart so I get a season or two out of it. I'm going to take the Ospho and you'll see it foam up when it hits some of the rust. In this case, I don't care if it hurts any painted areas, which normally it doesn't much. Looking at the messy, rusted undercarriage, I've actually put some of this on already. So as I sprayed on this rust, it's going to soak in and it's going to suck the oxygen out. It's going to stop the rust. Rust needs oxygen to survive. You can get this on you, you better get it off you pretty quickly. It depends how sensitive your skin is. People with sensitive skin should be wearing gloves and more protection. So there you have it. We're going to take this golf cart. It's a little tired. We're stabilizing the rust. We'll come back in a couple days. I'm going to take some black oil-based paint. I'm going to paint over all this metal that I've stabilized with the Ospho coat. It's going to stop the rusting that's going on, so maybe this cart will last me a few more years. Quick tip for stopping rust from MrHardware.com.